Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a photo as a wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So the first step of the operation is to have a photo to set as a wallpaper. And when you have it, just go into your gallery and press the three dots in the upper right corner and press the set as wallpaper. Choose the preferable option and press done. That will also you can also customize your wallpaper right away, right here. For example, you can change the clock and the widgets here. Same goes for the lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you consider this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.